Hey y'all, trying something for the first time. I am taking honey roasted peanuts to make honey roasted peanut butter. So it's supposed to be about 3 cups, but I just kind of eyeballed it. And I'm not adding any oil or salt because I don't want to salt that up. There's also already a little salt in the honey roasted peanuts. And so I'm just going to turn this onto the grind setting and set start. Now with peanut butter or almond butter or cashew butter, quite often stuff will crawl up the walls, and you need to get it into the vortex. So you take the tamper cannot hit the blaze, and you don't want to do too much because you actually want the vortex to work. So no more than a couple of times. You can actually see the timer on here. You just have that faith. The vortex will do its job. That's awesome. I don't know if you could tell or if you could watch this, but the blender knows when to change the speed based on what's going on in the blender. And I just have to show you, all I did was I dumped those out, and look at this creamy, delicious peanut butter. Hold on. Oh my God, that's so good. So that was an experiment that I am glad I did. Stay tuned for next one. Bye.